start with actions. Teasing. The boy is teasing. Bathing. The boy is bathing. Eating. The girls is eating. Drinking. They are drinking. Reading. They are reading. Riding. The boy is riding. Praying. The girl is praying. Laughing. He is laughing. Crying. She is crying. Standing. He is standing. Sitting. She is sitting. Rollicking. Joan is rollicking. Running. They are running. Jumping. They are jumping. Dancing. They are dancing. Swimming. Tom is swimming. Climbing. Tony is climbing. Clapping. The girl is clapping. Washing. The boy is washing. Cleaning. The girls are cleaning. Helping. The girl is helping. Smiling. She is smiling. Worrying. The girl is worrying. Saving. Tom is saving. Enjoying. The boy is enjoying. Chickikikiviki. Boys are kicking. Throwing. The boy is throwing. Catching. The boy is catching. Shooting. Jack is shooting. Playing. Children are playing. Skipping. David is skipping. Sharing. They are sharing food. Yawning. The woman is yawning. Sleeping. The woman is sleeping. Thank you for watching.